Welcome to YouTube Bootcamp. In this series, we're going to figure out how to crush YouTube by setting your goals. Identify the goals for your YouTube channel. What do you want to achieve with your YouTube channel? Now, you might think the internet is a crowded space, and YouTube the most crowded of all, but nothing could be further from the truth. In fact, YouTube is still the Wild West. YouTube was founded in 2005 by 3 PayPal employees. It's still an awkward, gawky little teenager. At only 13 years old, it's a super genius. It's the second largest search engine online. Google's the first, but it's its daddy. Now, you may not know this, but in your category, there are still millions of people looking for you. In fact, you're a pioneer. It's time for you to stake your claim, make your name, and garner fame on YouTube. What's your category? As long as you're not a gamer, a cat, or an SEO expert, there's still plenty of room for a new expert like you. Why use YouTube for your business? How do you plan to use it for your channel for marketing? What types of videos will you create, and who is your intended audience? YouTube is a fantastic marketing tool. When you determine how it fits your mission and vision, you can use it to attain your goals. So, what is your mission statement? What is your vision statement? When you put your vision and your mission statement together, it will be easy to figure out your goals. So what is a mission statement? Your mission statement figures out the purpose and primary objectives of your business, the problem or question you solve, how you'll solve or answer it. What's your vision statement? That's your purpose and values. It's where you want your business to end up. Identify the goals for your YouTube channel. Identify the how for your YouTube channel. What is the why of your YouTube channel? Which types of videos are you going to use for your YouTube channel? And who is your intended audience? What do you want to achieve with your business, with your YouTube channel? What do you want to get out of your channel? Do the goals for your business and your channel work together? What about individual videos? Will they promote you, your work, your services, your products, or your business? Will your videos be how-to training videos, product showcase videos, build authority videos, informational videos, or all of the above? What about video? Videos build trust, they build authority, they build confidence. How do they build authority? They help you to be a speaker, a trusted speaker. They help you promote products and show why you should trust the product. They help you with sales. They show why people should buy from you. And they build fans, super fans, and that's what you want. So what are your goals? Do you want your videos to build trust, build authority, build confidence, make money, have fun, retire happy? I think all of those are your goals. That's what your channel's all about. Goals. Write down all of the goals for your YouTube channel. What's the one that pops out as being the most important? Does it support your vision and your mission? Is it the right focus for your YouTube channel? Do your goals keep you up at night worrying, or do they get you so excited you can't wait to wake up every day and get started? That's what you want. Identify the goals for your YouTube channel. So what are your goals? How are you going to use YouTube for your business? That's a goal that you need to figure out. How are you going to use YouTube for your business? And your answer should be like super fast.